Ever wondered if strength training can make you bulky instead of lean, or if supplements are necessary? These are common questions that often pop up in the minds of those venturing into the world of strength training and muscle building. First and foremost, let's debunk the notion that strength training will leave you bulky. While it's true that lifting weights can increase muscle mass, it doesn't necessarily mean that you'll end up looking like a bodybuilder. In fact, strength training can be a powerful tool in sculpting a lean and toned physique. This is because muscle is more metabolically active than fat, meaning it burns more calories even when you're at rest. So in essence, the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn throughout the day, aiding in weight loss and contributing to a leaner body composition. Now let's address the second question. Are supplements necessary? It's a widely held belief that muscle building and strength training are impossible without a cupboard full of supplements. However, this is not entirely accurate. Supplements can certainly be beneficial, especially if your diet lacks certain nutrients or if you're pushing your body to its limits with intense workout sessions. But they are not a magic bullet. They are called supplements for a reason, as they are meant to supplement a balanced diet, not replace it. It's also worth noting that not all supplements are created equal. Some can be quite beneficial, while others may offer little to no benefit, or even potentially cause harm. It's crucial to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements to your regimen. So, let's clear the air and understand how strength training really works. Rather than leading to bulkiness, it can actually help you achieve a lean and toned body. And while supplements can be beneficial, they are not always necessary and should be used wisely. Remember, there's no substitute for a balanced diet and a well-rounded exercise program. So, stay tuned as we continue to delve deeper into the ins and outs of strength training. Strength training is not just about lifting weights, it's an art with science at its core. At its most basic, strength training is a cyclical process. It's a series of movements, repeated over time, designed to stimulate your muscles to grow bigger and stronger. But to truly master this art, you need to understand its three fundamental pillars: correct form, consistency, and progressive overload. First, let's talk about form. Just like a painter meticulously strokes their brush or a musician hits each note with precision, the way you perform each exercise is pivotal. Correct form ensures you're working the right muscles, reduces the risk of injury, and maximizes your gains. So, take time to learn each movement, and don't be afraid to start with lighter weights. After all, a masterpiece isn't created in a day. Next, consistency. You wouldn't expect a tree to grow from a seedling overnight, would you? Similarly, building muscle takes time. Consistency in your workout routine is key. This means hitting the gym regularly, keeping up with your program, and not skipping workout days. It's a commitment to your body and your well-being. Finally, we have progressive overload. This is the principle that underpins all strength training. Simply put, it means gradually increasing the stress on your muscles over time. This could be by incrementally adding weight, increasing reps, or reducing rest time between sets. Your muscles adapt to the stress you place on them, so to keep growing, you have to keep challenging them. These three pillars are intertwined. Without correct form, you risk injury and hinder your progress. Without consistency, you won't see the fruits of your labor. Without progressive overload, your muscles will plateau. So next time you step into the gym, remember, strength training is more than just lifting weights. It's a journey. It's about learning, adapting, and growing both physically and mentally. It's about pushing your boundaries and discovering what you're truly capable of. Remember, patience is key, and your body will thank you for it. Muscle building is not magic, it's pure science. Let's delve into it. Muscle building revolves around a fascinating physiological process. Picture this. You're lifting weights, your muscles are working, feeling the strain. What's happening inside is a microscopic tug-of-war. As you lift, you're creating tension in your muscles. This tension puts stress on your muscle fibers, causing tiny damage or tears. This might sound alarming, but it's a natural, necessary step in muscle growth. Let's take a closer look at this process. Your muscles are composed of individual cells or muscle fibers. When you engage in resistance training, these fibers experience strain, leading to micro tears. It's this microtrauma that stimulates your body's repair response. Your body, being the complex and responsive machine that it is, springs into action. Specialized cells called satellite cells rush to the site of the damage. They fuse to the damaged muscle fibers, repairing them, but they don't just fix the damage, they add more material to the muscle fibers. This is hypertrophy, or the enlargement of an organ or tissue from the increase in size of its cells, or in layman's terms, muscle growth. Now, this process doesn't happen instantly. It takes time, and it requires resources. Protein synthesis needs to exceed protein breakdown for growth to occur. This is why nutrition is so crucial in muscle building. Consuming adequate amounts of protein provides the raw materials for repair and growth. But what about rest? Is it really necessary? Absolutely. This repair and growth process primarily occurs during rest, especially during sleep. So, if you're skimping on sleep or not taking rest days, you're shortchanging your muscle growth. So, here's the science in a nutshell. Lift weights to create tension, causing micro tears. Your body repairs these tears, adding extra material in the process, leading to muscle growth. Provide your body with the necessary protein and ensure you get plenty of rest. So you see, your body is a wonderful machine that adapts and grows with every challenge. Supplements. Do you really need them? Let's discuss. When it comes to strength training, the world of supplements can seem like a minefield. Countless products promise to boost your performance, speed up your recovery, and help you build muscle faster. But here's the truth. Supplements are just that, supplements. They're meant to supplement your diet, not replace it. Protein powders, for instance, can be a convenient way to increase your protein intake, especially after a workout. They provide the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. However, they don't offer the same nutritional benefits as whole foods like lean meats, fish, and dairy products. Creatine is another popular supplement among strength trainers. It can help increase your strength and power during high-intensity workouts, making your training sessions more effective. Yet, you can also find creatine in foods like red meat and fish. Then there's the world of vitamins and minerals, which play a multitude of roles in your body, including muscle function and recovery. While a multivitamin can help fill in any dietary gaps, it's still best to get these nutrients from a varied and balanced diet. Remember, supplements can aid in muscle recovery and growth, but they are not replacements for a balanced diet. It's important to focus on whole foods first, and consider supplements as a secondary option. Supplements can be effective tools, but they should never replace real nutrient-dense food. So, we've learned quite a bit about strength training and muscle building today. We've debunked common misconceptions, dove into the process of strength training, explored the science behind muscle building, and examined the role of supplements in this journey. Remember, the key to effective strength training lies in 4 pillars: correct form, consistency, progressive overload, and a balanced diet. A well-executed form minimizes injury risk and maximizes workout efficiency. Consistency, on the other hand, is the bedrock of any successful fitness regime. Progressive overload, the practice of gradually increasing the amount of stress placed upon the body during exercise, is crucial for muscle growth. And let's not forget the importance of a balanced diet, providing the necessary fuel for your workouts and the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Supplements, while not a magic solution, can aid in workout recovery and muscle gain when used appropriately. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more fitness insights.